Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's going 3 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
I just had a DoorDash pickup.
Come on down to window number 1.
Thank you. I had the DoorDash.
You're supposed to stop at the speaker so I know you're here.
I did. It said to pull up to window 1.
Sorry, I didn't. She didn't notify me and I didn't hear you on the speaker. My bad.
Oh, you're all good. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Like, was I talking to a ghost or what happened there? I was wondering why I had to wait so long. Classic no tip to start off the day. Total for that one was $4 and change. Oh, and it only gets better. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias going across the river. This one is going 7.5 miles. Surely it's gonna be worth my time, right?
Is that?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Classic no tip. Total for that one was $10. Next order up is a Muchas Gracias going 6 miles. Luckily for me this time, this one is staying inside my zone, so the disappointment won't be as bad.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $7. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, we're not doing that one. They just tried to give me a Seize the Bagel order going across the river 21 miles. Even I have standards. Come on. But hey, at least they tried to get me with that leaving my zone bonus. Not today. Been about 15 minutes just sitting here, still waiting on an order. Finally got something. This is IHOP, $10 going 5 miles. This person ordered a shot of orange juice, apparently. What is this? I mean, I guess the cup is kind of cute. Next order is a Joe Brown's Cafe. This one's going 4 miles. I mean, they did have a sign outside saying that they were not open.
You're closed.
I know. Just taking a picture of the sign. I have to give them a reason why I can't take an order. And I'm saying it's closed, so I have to show them.
We're hurrying. We haven't had a chance to mess with the apps. We're just like hurrying.
I totally get it. I did get some half pay, maybe, question mark. They gave me $4 for my troubles. Oh man, that was rough. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going 2 miles. Thank you.
Bye.
They just messaged me, please don't knock, heart, heart, heart. Okay. Total for that one was $5 and change. So they say slow and steady wins the race, right? Well, so far today, we are just slow. It is very slow. Finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 1.5 miles. Thank you. No tip on that one. Total was $4. Next order is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $11 going 5 miles, 5 items. my goodness. I love when people don't look at their phones. So they didn't have the black box that you ordered. They have two smaller sizes. They have a bigger size, which is a 3 liter. It's about the same as 2 of the ones that you wanted. Okay, just the big one. Okay, perfect. Well, that took a little bit longer than I wanted it to, due to customer. Oh well, let's go drop this off. It's like a mile away, so should be easy. Morning.
Morning. Hang on.
Oh, it's making me do it manually. If I could see that one more time. Sorry.
Just scan the back.
It's making me do it manually. Otherwise I would. People just love wasting my time, don't they? Okay, what is this? What are we doing here? Can this app work for once? Like, hello? Next up is a McDonald's. This one's $8 going 2.5 miles. Just got the next order. This is a Taco Bell going 5 miles. Thank you. That is one hefty bag. Total for that order was $12. Okay, not bad. Finally a decent order. I've been wondering though, is today like a holiday or something? There are barely any cars out, barely any orders. What's going on? Next order up is a McDonald's going 4 miles.
Thank you, sir.
No tip. Who's surprised? Not me. Total was $4 and change. Next up, we've got another McDonald's. This one's going 2 miles. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Total for that one was $6. All right, I'm not getting orders. I'm over it. Let's go home. Current time is 10:23. Total, we are at 84. Yikes. There was so much waiting around today. And that one order going across the river that I took definitely did not help. Whatever. We will try it again another day. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.